So I'm on my way to IKEA now. It's actually my second time driving this car because my parents got this car when I wasn't there. So it's quite stressful to drive right now because obviously I haven't driven the past year other than like maybe a couple of times.
Give me feeling pain, you know I can't control. I hate you, although you give me all the.
So we didn't have that much luck on our trip to IKEA yesterday because I wanted to get some storage, extra shelves for my clothes, but it was out of stock. I got some light bulbs and these are really cool. They are like connected. And then we went to another store which cuts woods for you because I wanted to add some shelves to my thing where I store my shoes. In that store I also got some paint to paint my orange shelves. Also my room is still very messy, especially with these things here. A friend of ours gave us a ton of clothes that we have to go through. I've got the brushes, I'm gonna start.
Can't control. I hate you, although you give me all the reasons why I found the soul.
So this is what the first coat is looking like. This one shows up really well, but this will probably need like maybe 2 more coats. I'm gonna let it dry for now and do this one in the lighter color because I think it's gonna look better.
You don't need me, I don't need you, but without you.
Now I'm quickly gonna go back to the store. The wood shelves for these, they close in like 30 minutes, so I'm gonna quickly go. So I'm home now and I've got the goods. It's basically just like that. I don't think it goes really well with the wall. I thought it would, but
I hate you,
ta-da!
although you gave me all the reasons why I found my soul.
So this is the finished product. Drawers that I wanted are finally back in stock, so I'm gonna go to IKEA now and get those.
Ooh, I saw it in every song, in every wrong. Beautiful to see the world that way. You'll say yes to anything.
So I'm done with my purchases. I bought quite a lot of stuff. I also got a few like light bulbs for my parents. So now I'm gonna go home and I'll show you guys what I got. First thing that I got is this new lamp, and to go with that I also got the light bulbs and I got the smart ones. I got this kit that comes with the remote. We can like adjust the light. I got another remote and another kit that's for my parents. Then I also got 4 of these, which are, you know, to store the shoes. We have quite a few shoes at the entrance of our house, so I think this will make it more tidy. I also got these bed sheets. I got this really cute, like brownish themed squared thing. I got these drawers. I got 2 of those.
You're so smart with your ultraviolet ultraviolet anyway. And every time I know the truth, speaking one way between me and you, and I'm fine on my own. So I wrote this song to serenade the ultraviolets all alone.
So I'm going to go shopping for plants. There's a brand called Bergamot, I think, and it's an international brand, I think, in Europe, and they have a pop-up store. So I'm gonna go now and see what they have. I'm really excited. I never shop for plants. Just finished and I did some little damage. I'll show you when I get home. Starting with the first one is this cutie. Next is this one. I got this one. I have this one. Next I got this one. And last but not least, I got these hanging plants. They also gave me a ginger shot. I really like the bottles, it's so cute. Oof. Anyways,